Annyeong, I'm Sunny, your Korean study buddy. Today we will learn a very important rule for writing in Korean, the syllable block. This is the unit where Korean letters combine and looks like an invisible box. Each box consists of a specific combination of a consonant and a vowel to be a proper letter. So, in order to write or read Korean, you must know how to use these blocks. As you can see, blocks are categorized by vowels. The first two vowels are next to their consonants horizontally. Vowels in the third and fourth blocks are underneath consonants. The last two blocks have a compound vowel. Let's look at the first block. In this block, a consonant comes first and is followed by the vowel horizontally. Using this block, you can make words such as na, meaning I, and cha, meaning car. In the second letter block, you simply need to add a last consonant underneath the first block's combination of letters. In this block, you can write words such as 책, meaning book, 밥, meaning steamed rice or food. Two final consonants can also be added, such as 닭, meaning chicken. In this instance, you only pronounce the 기억. I will cover this in more detail in my next video. In the third block, a consonant comes first, and then the vowel is followed vertically. This style of block is needed to make 코, meaning nose, and 초, meaning second. In the fourth block, you just need to add one last consonant underneath the previous combination. Using this block, you can write words like 눈, meaning eye, and 숲, meaning forest. In the fifth block, a consonant comes first, and then the compound vowel is followed. Compound vowels consist of a vertical and horizontal vowel at the same time. Some examples are 와 and 왜. Using this block, you can make words such as 뇌, meaning brain, and 귀, meaning ear. In our last syllable block, a consonant comes first and is followed by a compound vowel, and then the last consonant follows. In this block, you can write words such as 원, meaning circle, and 왕, meaning king. Hooray! You finished all blocks and words. Now it is time to recap and practice memorization. First, the Korean words will appear with syllable block type. Think of the definition and say it out loud. After a few seconds, you can check the definition and pronunciation. 나, 차, 책, 밥, 닭, 코, 초, 눈, 숲, 뇌, 귀, 원, 왕. Congratulations on finishing the lesson and review section today. If you liked this video, please click the like button and subscribe. I hope to see you in the next video. 안녕.